Hello friends! Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can send a gift message in Facebook Messenger app. Don't forget, friends, please subscribe to our channel, and also friends, please put your likes under this video and write your comments as well. So let us get down to it, friends, on this topic. Open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. Next, select the conversation you want to have. After that, friends, you need to write some message, and next, please click on the search part. Now scroll down to the bottom. And here you can see different features, like you can send a message, for example, with your sticker. And you can also apply some effect. From the effects, you'll need to select the last one or the gift box. And so, as you can see, send a message. When the person or you click on the box, it will, as you can see, open up, and it will be this kind of gift message. I really hope that this video, dear friends, has been helpful to you. You have seen how you can send gift messages in the Messenger app. Please don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to write comments. See you soon.